So here we are, we're in Times Square. It's so colourful here, it's absolutely wonderful. So we're going to walk right into the heart of Times Square now, the other side, and then come back round, have a look at the steps, and just generally check it out and see how colourful it is as we go lower down in a minute.
This guy came back 7 o'clock.
So this is the subway where we initially come up tonight. That's where we first saw the streets of New York, as we come up the subway there. Let's carry on down here. There's height of activity here, all different restaurants and cafes and eateries and everything there. Look at this place with all these nice trees and everything either side, and then this place has got like barrels for tables. Pretty amazing. The scaffolding absolutely everywhere in New York this year for some reason. I don't know why. So here we go. Let's start walking down here and having a look here at all these amazing bright lights and everything there is down here. This massive souvenir shop. Pretty amazing that is. Can't see any dog coats or anything in the window there like they normally are. So we're coming now right into the very, very bright lit area of Times Square here. And then just lower down we've got the amazing steps which we're going to check out and have a look at for you tonight, I think. So we've walked quite a good way tonight when you think we've come all the way from Central Park, and we were in Times Square earlier on as well for you. So yeah, I think we've done all right, saying we've only landed here this afternoon. It's just so wonderfully lit up. Look at these barriers now for stop cars coming and running people over on the pavements. They are new. So stalls and everything down here as well. Look at that one selling all them different paintings and pictures. This is where Times Square really does come to life. Look at the billboards and everything that we've got here. They're just so colourful. They're amazing. Look at this here now. This is just outrageous being here now. The atmosphere here now is just electrifying when you look at it. All the people are just here having such an absolutely superb, wonderful time here. Look at all the shops and everything we've got here. And like I say, the steps are just to the left. We've got Spider-Man here. He's toting for money. He ain't going to get anything off me though, to be honest with you. But it's just packed, absolutely packed. There's people absolutely everywhere here. Okay, just check it out. So many people here. It's just unbelievable. I can't really count how many people there is.
Parrot on his shoulder.
Look at the guy there with a parrot on his shoulder. like I say, this is just unique here. It's just absolutely wonderful. And we're gonna go up the steps, and like I say, let's get up here and see what we can see as we get to the top. For a view, New York, Times Square, New York. That's just outrageous, just out of this world again. That is looking at that there from here and just counting really how many people there looks to be there, and all the billboards and everything. What a shot that is. And just look at the head count, the number of people that we've got there. You couldn't count them, there's that many of them. The billboards are just wild, just out of this. Just look at that billboard there, the colour of that, and just looking at Times Square there that way, and the massive huge billboards we've got here as well. I think that used to be the Coca-Cola bottle there. It's still Coca-Cola now, but I'm sure years ago there used to be a Coke bottle there. And I think if you look at the blue building, that's Barclays. Just have another look. Just have a look there. Again, just looking down there at all the crowds and everything, it's just spectacular. It's wonderful. You couldn't ask to get anything better than that. There's people coming up here constantly. The traffic flow up these steps over the ticket office here is just unreal. Look at the posters and billboards again there now, with all the different changing things that they've got on them. So just everywhere you look, you've got these amazing billboards and different views. I'll have to bring the 360 tomorrow, and I'll do you some wicked 360 shots.
We got some amazing ones.
1, 2, 3, coming.
So it is. Been a lovely night, and I've really enjoyed what we've had tonight. Saying we've only got here at 5 o'clock, we've done quite a lot. So I think we will call it a night now. Get in back to the Radio City apartments, take all this footage we've done off today for you, and then we'll be up early tomorrow and hit the streets of New York and show you all the amazing different places that we can see tomorrow for you. So I'm going to say good night, and the vlog is over.